and for each, so it will ask you a question like over here on this one, like what word rhymes with brown, and then there'll be small town, water, or leader, and you have to pick which one. And if you pick the right one, then your score goes up by $1,000. And
Yeah, but
then
none of those words rhyme with brown.
yeah, town does.
Okay.
My goodness, Mr. Sudra, this stuff is to you. Nanny, who needs EC when you have Mr. Sudra?
I didn't see that. Anyway.
He needs an escape.
So, and again, is it going to be a rollover where it tells you, or do they actually have to read it and figure it out? Or
No, it's also going to be audio.
Because
But you can have
talking about differentiating in terms of levels, you could have where
the easy one would have the audio.
audio and the other ones.
Yeah. Yeah, and then if they got it wrong, they lose 500. And then the game ends when you've done the 20 questions, and then it will have your score. So it's not exactly a you win, you lose game, but if you're going to try to beat your high score.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, I think that might work. The only thing, remember your age group. So, you know, I'm not sure that, I mean, maybe like, you know, getting an extra $1,000 is great, but maybe in addition to that, for that age group, you might want to have, you know, like,
Candy.
yeah, well, I was thinking like have a character, and every time he gets it right, the character like gets nicer clothes or something like that, or gets like bonus, you know, think about your age group, because getting money. It's also, I'm not sure it's something we want to encourage that much to say, okay, $1,000, or you're now a millionaire. So it's maybe how to be a millionaire, but more kid-friendly version of it. I mean, and then for this one, my question, guys, please, is would you?
I'll do it on Scratch, it'll be a computer game.
And would you play it as a class, like the way
Yes,
how to be a millionaire? So it'd be a different.
You just name as a class, and then you can also do it individually.
So you can choose that you want to do that. So the teacher could, for example, set up teams in the class, like 3 or 4 teams, and then they compete like they would for how to be a millionaire. Okay, cool. And the other ones are individual, yeah?
Yeah, and then you can choose, I think at the bottom over here, you can get a hint, or you can ask a friend or something.
Okay, so like that actual game.
Yeah.
Cool. 3 designs.